Hey there. Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to embed a PDF document in your Squarespace 7.1 website. So the first thing you're going to do is come to the page where you intend to embed the document. And as you can see, I'm in editing mode. I'm going to start out by showing you how to link the PDF from an image. So I've got everything set up here. As you can see, I have a text block. I'm going to click on the plus sign and select an image, the image that we're going to link the PDF to. So I'm going to upload a file and I'm going to let that load. Okay, now that it's loaded, I'm going to come over here, and as you can see it says link. I'm going to click on the little cogwheel, and then I have several options here. The option I want to select is file, and let's pretend that's not there because that's the document I want to upload. So I'm going to come over here to upload file, and I'm going to go to the document that I want to share with my visitors. Next thing I'm going to do is select it. This is an important step that sometimes gets overlooked. You need to make sure that check mark is there, and then click here to make it open in a new window, so that way it won't take people away from your website. Once you have that done, just click save, and this image is now linked to the document. Okay, we want to, one other thing I can do here just to make it absolutely clear is to change this from inline to poster so that I can add a line of text here. And let's say I'm going to change that to a heading 1. And I'm going to erase this line. We now have a heading, and that's it. I'm going to come over here and save it. Now that it has saved, it should link directly to the PDF, and it did not. So I'm going to come over here to edit, and it did not save, I guess. Not sure what I missed here. Okay, so we're going to come over to this link, and we're going to click on image, and okay, now as you can see it's linking to the PDF. So now that that's done, I'm going to come back here, click save, and let's try it. Okay, as you can see it opened as the PDF. So that is good to go. The next thing we're going to do is link to the PDF from a button. So I've got that ready here. I'm going to click on the plus sign, come over to button, select a button, and I'm going to change the prompt to download now. I'm going to come over to the cogwheel, again click on file. Since I've already uploaded it, it's going to show me the list of documents that have been uploaded. I just need to come over here and select it and open a new window, click save, and that should be good to go. There, click save. And again, there you have it, there's your PDF. And the third way is to link from a line of text. So I would simply come over here, insert text, or you could write here, whatever. I'm going to select that, I'm going to click on the link, and again I'm going to come over to the wheel, select file, select the file I want to upload, and click on Open a New Window, click Save, and come over here and click Apply. Once you're done, click Save, and we'll come down here, click on that, and there's the PDF, okay? So there you have it, 3 ways to link to a PDF from your Squarespace 7.1 website. I hope you found it helpful.